Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June 28th to June the 30th, no? Si Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, no? So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayong mga readings doon, so you might wanna check on it, no? Um, Scorpio, kung hindi nyo po maabutan, no, itong live reading natin, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? So, Scorpio, kung feeling nyo hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron pong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information, no, including the payment method, how much is it, no, nandun din po ang promotion na 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun po ang information, pakibasa na lang po mabuti. So Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, Scorpio. I am seeing that either you might going to be in a connection with someone new or in a connection from the past or from a person that is still current but there's some pause on it. So let's say there is an energetic or physical separation, no, with the person. But one thing's for sure, the certain energy here is you're not gonna be alone. Nakikita ko dito, Scorpio, is mabubuhay uli ang dugo mo dahil, kumbaga, para sa'yo, relationship is something that entices you, inspires you, and who doesn't, right? Kasi when you are in love, di ba, um, nandun mo talaga makikita yung ningning sa mata mo and parang feeling mo meron kang inspiration, no, para gumising ng maaga, no? So babalik na itong blooming, no, na inspired na si Scorpio. With the Three of Pentacles and the Hierophant. So I feel like itong taong to is sobra talagang, sabihin natin, nagsisi at hihingi ng tawad. What's good about the Hierophant is this is the kind of person na, when I did something wrong, um, I can apologize and it won't make me less of a person just because I said sorry, no? In fact, napakatapang kasi may pag-amin dito ng pagkakamali, no? And I think that because of the separation, no, nagkaroon ng enlightenment, how important Scorpio is, no, sa buhay nitong taong ito. With the Three of Pentacles, napagtanto-tanto niya. I think that this person also did their shadow works, no? Kaya matapang niyang haharapin. Ikaw muli. At again, katulad ng sabi ko, may mga apologies. Knight of Swords and the Four of Swords. I feel like charge niya lang yung kanyang courage, no? Kumbaga sa battery, nag-charge pa ako para makapag-function akong mabuti. No, in layman's term, no, so kung kalihan itong usapan, no, konti pa, medyo pinapakapal ko pa yung mukha ko kasi ako yung may kasalanan eh, di ba? Ako yung may kasalanan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko lalapit. So, kailangan talaga pag humarap ako sa iyo, no, parang tigas ng apog ko, no? Ganon. With the ex-lover or old spark. So this is a confirmation of a past person. no? Or whether it is a person that you already met, we can consider it. This is not someone new, no? So you already met this person. This is a clarification that you had a connection. So this is reconnecting or reconciliation. And I feel like there is a lot of things that this person did. I feel like minsan siguro na pansin mo or probably na baka naisip mo, no? Ay, itong taong to, baka karmic to, no? I think that you also made a decision or probably assumption na itong ex mo na babalik is, ay naku, karmic yan, no? Um, and I think that this person placed a lot of burdens on you. Pinaiyakan itong masyado, no? At marami siyang problemang naibigay. Um, whether I think that there's also something in here that this person probably took something from you. It might be your peace of mind, no? Ang nakikita ko dito, yung iba naman sa inyo, for a small percentage, ang napag-awayan dito is yung control, narcissistic behavior. Nandito din yung para mga vices, no? Baka, nagda-drugs, recreational, no? Um, kaya po hiniwalayan. Pero nakikita ko naman yung mga pagbabago. Kasi underneath the Three of Pentacles, the reason, ito yung nasa ibaba, the reason why they had this enlightenment or they already um, studied, thought, no? Um, the reason why you got separated is because of this devil energy with the Knight of Wands and the Strength card. You know, there is a battle, and I'm very sure that this person went into, sabihin natin, shadow works. Hindi madali yung pinagdaanan niya to finally remove, no, itong sinasabi nating kasamaan, no, um, sa sarili niya. Uh, I think kudos din naman kay person dahil ginawa niya 'to dahil sa pagmamahal sa'yo. Probably you asked for it before, pero they still continued, 'no? Kaya nga kayo nagkahiwalay. Pero nung nawala ka sa buhay niya, so that's the reason why this person, parang sinabi niya sa sarili niya na, I really need to change, 'no? Matatanggap lang ako ni Scorpio kung tatanggalin ko yung ganitong aspeto, 'no? Or attitude. Now, with the Seven of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles, nako, hindi ka naman papatulugin nitong person na ito, no, ni person, dahil kukulitin at kukulitin ka niya. I'm seeing that this person's going to strategize their move so that they can come back in your life once again. And I feel like the promise here of, sabihin natin, investing their time, energy, and effort with you, nako, napaka-seryoso naman, and I feel like gagawin niya talaga, no? So, Scorpio, let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? Taurus, Leo, Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo. Taurus is very dominant, no? Sagittarius. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung sinasabi ni person sa'yo. I love you to the moon and back a million times. So, nagpapahiwatig na talaga si person, nababalik talaga siya at any moment, no? Magugulat ka na lang nasa harapan mo na. So, this card is a message, coming from your higher self, guardian angel, spirit guides, universe, whatever you want to call it. Keep moving forward even if you are unsure of your next step or where it may take you. Trust that you are walking the path you are meant to walk. Remember, we are walking it with you. Trust yourself more. I feel like pag dumating itong person na ito, siguro magdadalawang isip ka because of the past experiences. Probably, nakilala mo siyang sinungaling. Pero with the energy here, and I think that there is a security with the message na you are now on the right path. And I think that separation also needs to happen, not for you, but for them to learn that they already got what they wanted, what they wished for. No? And what I am seeing in here is more of give this person a chance, and you're gonna see that whatever it is that you're manifesting, it's going to happen. So this is your reading, Scorpio. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Ngayon po, meron po tayong ibang readings doon. You might want to check on it. Now, Scorpio, kung hindi nyo po maabutan ng live sessions, pwede po kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung feeling nyo hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no? Check nyo po yung description box. Meron po dong link. All you have to do is to either click the link or copy the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information. You can ask a question, how much is per question, the payment method, the QR code, nandun po yan. No? And please also check, nandun din po ang information if you want to book a private reading. No? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. So that's already a discounted price. So this is your reading, Scorpio. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye.